Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys doing today? Today we have a entryway front door spring refresh. So as you can see, this is my entryway, my front door area, and um, we are going to clean this area up. We're going to wash the door. You guys can see there is some look like some mold right there. And we're gonna clean the sidewalk area up. I have my bucket with some bleach in it, um, and just disinfect and get this area ready for spring slash summer. We're already in April, so yeah, we're gonna get started. So guys, before we jump in, I just want you guys to be kind and give me a thumbs up, like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So let's jump right in. All right, guys, we are back. Um, the for the most part, everything is pretty much not completely dry, but dry enough to start putting things back. So the first thing, guess I can bring you guys a little bit closer. First thing I'm going to do is I have this tree right here that I put out for Christmas. And I purchased that from Goodwill. I'm just going to spread it out. It is I guess the Christmas tree kind, but I've been using it all year round. So just gonna spruce it up a little bit. When the wind comes, it falls. So I've been trying to figure out what to do with it to keep it and I apologize, the neighbor is loud. I'm pretty sure everybody on the block can hear her. So I do have the black rocks that I've been putting in it, just to kind of keep it from falling over, which doesn't seem to be working. Okay. And I added a little bit more of the I don't know the name of the I don't know material to it to make it look a little fuller. And I'm just going to add some of these flowers to it just to give it a little color. right. Cute. So then I purchased this welcome mat from Home Depot. So this was, I think, $12 or $13, and I'm gonna put that down. So I'm just gonna wrap this extension cord up and lay it in the back of it when it's time to turn it on again. I'll know where it's at. Then I'm going to sweep these So that is that. Looking cute so far. All right, so now I'm going to get my flower arrangement. So I think I'm going to, that's the dilemma I have. I can put stuff on this side. I can't put nothing over here. So I think I'm going to, and I had this one in the center right there. So let's see, if I put it right there. Bring you guys around. I have at the bottom down there, that is a cactus, and that is a oh God, I'm lost for words right now. You guys know what it is. It'll come to me. I need to clean my lantern up and put it back, and I'm going to put my begonia out here. Last night it rained, it stormed, and it knocked this over, so that's why she is looking kind of flat. So I'm gonna put her, probably, you guys can't see. I'm gonna put her right there. All right. I'm thinking that looks good. It's like 2% remaining. Alright guys, we are back, and this is the finished portion of the me. So this is the finished portion of the front door and entry space. So as you guys can see, there is the welcome mat, the tree that we just did, the lantern that's rose gold, I painted that myself, the begonia, and then if we come around, we have and I still can't remember the name of that plant. Oh my gosh. We have the cactus at the bottom. It's red. And we have the aloe vera plant. So let me turn you guys around. Okay, so here we are at a better angle. Front door. Everything is nice and clean. The tree that we put some flowers in, the lantern, the begonia, and the other two plants. All right, guys, that is all for my video today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will be filming some more videos, some more refreshes. As we are home, I'm getting my house together. I will be putting out more of these quarantine refresh videos. So hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Check out my Instagram, my Facebook pages. And until I see you guys in the next video, you guys stay safe. Have a blessed day and peace.